Hello everyone. Each of the tips and instructions I'm going to share in this video has been verified by the mechanics working at the shop where I am right now. So relax. We're going to fix this problem together. If your Ford is showing the message rear belt monitor fault, don't panic. This warning is more common than you might think, and most of the time it's not something serious. It's usually a sensor or a wire acting up. To start, this message appears when the vehicle thinks one of the rear seat belts isn't working or can't be read correctly. The issue is that many times the warning shows up even when no one is sitting in the back seats, which tells us the system is confused, not that the seat belt is actually broken. Here's where it gets interesting. The mechanics at this shop say the number one cause isn't the seat belt itself, but a loose connector or wire under the seats. Just moving the seat, vacuuming the car, or storing something underneath can loosen a plug and make the system start complaining. That's why the most common real-world fix is very simple. Check the connectors under the rear seats. In many cases, the mechanics fix the issue just by unplugging and reconnecting those connectors, and the warning disappeared like magic. Now, if that doesn't work, the next usual suspect is the seatbelt buckle sensor. And pay attention to this. Even though the warning says rear, in several cases the actual problem was a front seat sensor sending incorrect signals and confusing the whole system. Some mechanics at this shop replaced the buckle, and the problem was solved the same day. Another very common situation is when someone has removed or moved the rear seats to clean, modify, or make more space. The system expects to find sensors there, and if it doesn't, it assumes something is wrong and triggers the warning. Nothing is actually broken. The system just isn't seeing what it expects to see. When this warning shows up along with other issues, like adaptive cruise control being disabled or airbag lights turning on, that's a sign the safety system is going into protection mode. In those cases, mechanics recommend not ignoring it, because it's already affecting other vehicle functions. If none of these solutions work, the last option they mention is a software check or recalibration at the dealership. Some owners report that after a software update, the system became misconfigured and was only fixed with an official reprogramming.